Hello, my name's Scott House. I'm CEO of Kodiak Steel Homes. We're here today on a job site here in Ferndale, Arkansas. We're looking at our South Ridge 3 model of home. What I'd like to do is just show why we build the strongest steel home in the industry today, and I feel the most easiest to erect. If you come with me, we're going to just show you the features, what makes Kodiak Steel Homes different than most everybody else out there. First thing that sets us apart on steel homes is that we're utilizing a wide flange hot rolled I-beam on our mainframe construction. This comes out of the oven from the steel mills. This shape, this anchor bolt here, is embedded in the concrete at 15 inches, or per your engineering specifications. But concrete holds a home down, not up. This is not going to be pulling up. This is solid, heavy-duty construction. Next thing on all of ours is, like I say, the main frames here are heavy, heavy, heavy. Nobody else makes that. When you have a severe wind load on a home, what do you want? This makes a huge difference. All of our secondary steel on the exterior stud walls are 6-inch stud. You can get an R19 in there. That's an 18 gauge. It's galvanized. All of the holes are pre-punched for your plumbing, your electrical, for your mechanical contractors. Everything at the bottom here is an 18 gauge, 6-inch track system. It's into the concrete, every foot with an anchor. We provide the anchors that go in there. Also, when you have a high wind load on a home, this wall right here must be securely anchored, and we have that available that comes with our home. If you'll come on inside the home, let me show you some other differences. Okay, we're inside the South Ridge model, and if you'll just do a pan around, you're going to be able to see that everything is a clear span system. There's no load-bearing walls. Everything inside, you're going to be able to put a bedroom wherever you want it, your kitchen. If you need to move a wall over, simply lay your track down, move a wall over, and put it where your family wants it. Let me point out right here that with the Kodiak home, we're giving you a ceiling truss system right here that you're going to be able to screw your sheetrock directly to our red iron Z-shaped members here. Your sheetrock will go right up against the outside exterior stud system. Inside the South Ridge model here, we offer a cathedral ceiling in this open bay system here. Okay, here in the South Ridge, this cathedral bay ceiling system, as you can see, you're able to get all your sheetrock. You can have a 5-on-12 slope, a big open room in this one bay right here. In the center bay, this is a 15-foot bay. It's 29 foot by 15 with a 5-12 slope. You've got a nice open room area right here with this system. When we're coming over here to the in-wall system on our homes, we utilize two things. We will either use wide flange hot rolled I-beam, or we will have a red iron back-to-back C-channel. Everything's welded. If you pan down and look right here, you can see that we're using an anchor bolt system that's anchored in to your foundation. Once again, all your ceiling joist system is a bolt together assembly. We're using cable bracing that's pre-made up cable made to length. Everything's set up where you can brace this home, square it up, Cable bracing has given this home exceptional strength too in high winds. The overhangs on the Kodiak home, we utilize a 3-inch tube column. It's an 18-inch overhang is standard on the homes. And when you look down the home on a Kodiak model with a steel eave strut, it is a straight line. You're not having the waviness of a framed wood home. Very solid, very straight, 90-degree angles that can be used, and it makes a difference when you're building a good home. On your material connection, you have a track here, a stud here on the corner, another stud right here with it, and then you're going to start your studs going down the wall on a 16-inch center. Same thing on your other wall going on 16-inch centers. This is a super strong corner system. It's designed to take the wind, the snow, plus the seismic 4 heavy earthquake ratings with it. I want to point out up on the gable end of a home that all the purlins, everything on your red iron, if you'll look at the numbers up there, everything is marked. When you have identification on every piece of material that gives the part number, a manufacturing number, the length of the material, you know it's going to go in the right place and it will correspond with the Kodiak drawings. Even on your stud material, right here, we post a manufacturing number. We post how long this is, 9 foot 2 and 8/16 of an inch, 18 gauge material. We make it easy to identify what parts go where. Strength, quality. We're looking at the front porch of our South Ridge model. I want to point out some very important features that make this home very desirable for a contractor or a skilled do-it-yourselfer to do. Notice all the red iron up here. You have clips that are welded on from our manufacturing facilities. Everything is pre-cut, it's pre-numbered, welded clips for a bolted-up red iron assembly. With this, on your main rafters, you notice that those are hot rod I-beam rafters. This is a heavy-duty system. When you're doing framed openings, we've got 2 big heavy 18-inch studs, 6-inch, 18 gauge, back-to-back here. Your header, all of your stud material is on 16-inch centers, so with all your material that your other trades will work with on your sheetrock inside, no problem. That's a standard with it. These homes are minimum loading for a Kodiak home is 120 mile per hour, 140 mile an hour, 3-second gust. With a wood framed home, it's going to start flying apart at 71 mile an hour sustained winds. This home is built to take the strength of it. This home is built to where you're not going to have problems with termites. It is a maintenance-free home.